109, 109. Do you want a QSY to 610, 610?
Yeah, okay, QSY. Yeah, 68 Delta Romeo 109.
109, this is UDX 791 on the Gulf Islands, North Pacific. What is your QTH?
CDH in Belfast in Northern Ireland. So, just Northern Ireland, 68 Delta Romeo 109. And operator is Bob, Bravo Oscar Bravo.
Bob, Belfast, Northern Ireland. Beautiful. I haven't talked to Ireland for a long time. You're sounding Q5 here, Bob. You have Joe here off the far Pacific coast of Canada. Juliet Oscar Echo, Joe here on the Gulf Islands off the Pacific coast of Canada.
That's right. I think you said Gulf Islands. I just missed that one, Joe.
Yeah, we're on the Gulf Islands off the Pacific coast of Canada, Roger.
Very good, indeed. Much farther west than for main division. I don't know what ticket it is still, sure. I'll have to look it up to see where it is, Joe.
Yeah, if you know where Victoria, British Columbia is, Victoria on southern Vancouver Island, our Gulf Islands are tucked up against the very southern portion of Vancouver Island.
Very good, good to hear you. And with all the noise, on the 5, but just specifically just every year streamed up, so it's doing all things in the background as usual. So, but no, I just thought you were reporting the next over, but going back very well from Saturday, Joe.
Yeah, you're sounding very good here, my friend. You're sometimes 20 over. Sometimes you're hitting me, between 5 and 20 over. Very good audio there. Very good audio. Q5 signal all the way. It's still early morning here, 9:45 a.m. And current temperature is around 6 degrees Celsius. 6 degrees Celsius.
Yeah, well, it's warning Celsius here. We've got 1 degree, I think, maybe outside it or somewhere around that, and which isn't too bad. But I think it will come down before long. But local time here is over at 5:42 and around that anyway. So yeah, if you're getting up behind us, Joe, what's the propagation like your direction? Would it be I think it's more to the east than it would be to the west?
Well, usually we're getting South Pacific stuff, a lot of South Pacific and South America, believe it or not. I have not talked to Europe for probably 8 to 10 years now, and I've been talking about that. I says, I sure can't wait till Europe comes in, and I guess I created my own reality. There you are, coming in from Ireland, the Emerald Isle, sounding beautiful. What are you running for equipment there? It sure sounds nice.
Yeah, thanks. So, the reading is 7300 with a 730 microphone. Running in, running into the Reader 6, the 600 Claggy, running about 600 watts from the amplifier, so that's it all this cycle.
Beautiful, love the Moonrakers, man. Great antenna, and nice Icon 7300. Great audio you got there, my friend. I'm running an RCI 2980WX D104 microphone through an IMAX 2000 antenna, so I'm just running an Omni and a Texas Star 500 high drive amp, Roger.
Yeah, good job, working very well. Very punchy audio for that microphone.
Thank you very much, my friend. Well, it's just real pleasure to hear you in there. And, I hope there's some more European stuff coming in. I don't know when the last time was you talked to Canada. Do you get much Canadian skit coming in from the Pacific Coast?
Well, it's been a few weeks since, we've got into the likes of Hawaii, but the likes of last night even was fairly good, just beyond this time. Even Europe had died down, and starting here in British Columbia, and a few other places, as well as, there's all places even down in 2 Division there, the West Coast, all seems to be doing very well. So it's really the start of things still, but just the middle of Canada, Western Canada, and the Western Coast of the US for all, showing their faces last night, some of them very strong signals.
That's a Roger. Well, I tell you what, I'm sure you probably get a lot more East Coast than West Coast, since the East Coast of Canada is quite far from where I live, and they're a lot closer to Europe. I rarely ever get to the East Coast of Canada myself, believe it or not. I worked a station in Nova Scotia the other day, which was very rare. But usually it's all southeastern U.S. skip here, South Pacific, Central Pacific, and sometimes we actually been working Japan the last few days too, believe it or not. So I guess propagation is shifting a little bit.
Yeah, it must be indeed. Yeah, I did actually hear someone from the west side, trying to get to the east coast, so I was thinking it must be difficult. I never thought about that. You were saying that we had actually been closer, it was like Newfoundland. It was fairly close to us at the end of the day compared to what it would be to you. Well, tell me, so you were saying about the Pacific, is it just mainly the likes of New Zealand or maybe the likes of Australia? Or would you hear a lot of different unusual islands on? Unusual for us, maybe not for you.
I talked to Guam, New Zealand. We talked to Australia. Australia comes in here pretty much every day. New Zealand, we get Tasmania, Australia. It's just common here. When the U.S. skip starts to fade out at the end of the day, that's when we get the South Pacific. And every day we get Hawaii in here. No doubt about that. Every day, even on AM, we talk to Hawaii. Hawaii is about 2,600 miles southwest of our islands, but straight shot right across the Pacific from where we're at, Roger.
Yeah, no, that would be probably 2,600 miles. I don't know what that would be. Maybe the likes of Italy or so that might be something the same, or maybe somewhere around that direction or further out. And it would be very strong from here, and probably a similar situation to the likes of that would be to you, the likes of Guam and Hawaii. But it's not interesting to know. Anything, the difficult ones for us here, anything on the date line, where they're sort of at the complete opposite side of the world. And I did hear in New Zealand this morning now that there was a few French stations on the frequency as well, so they were low and I would say unworkable for me, but hopefully I'll get a chance at New Zealand before long. It has to come around. The connections are definitely getting on better than were, so I'm thinking so. Connections are great. You're coming in, and I don't want to hold you back from getting a few more into Europe when you're on.
You as well, my friend. I tell you what, it's been sure a pleasure. Like I say, it's a real treat to talk to Europe. And, I call for international and European skip pretty much daily. And there you were, man. So you made my day, buddy. Now I can actually go out and enjoy my walk now that I had the best DX contact of the day at Northern Ireland. And that Moonraker's working real good for you. So you take care out there. And you know what? We will listen for you again.
Yeah, no, definitely something to listen out to. I just never got your call at the time now, but we'll get that on your file anyway. But you're 5-5, taking 5 and 7 at the moment, and the time it was stronger, but still coming out well anyway, so I'll let you make the best of it when it's there. So many thanks from Delta Romeo 109.
All right there, Delta 109. This is UDX 791, United Delta X-Ray 791 out here on the Southern Gulf Islands. Salt Spring Island is the name of the island. Salt Spring Island off the southwest coast off British Columbia on the Pacific Ocean. 73s to you, my friend, in Belfast, and we hope to make contact again.
Okay, the last few words. That'll do well. UDX 791. Many thanks, Joe. Have a good day your side, and a good weekend. Hope there's lots of good conditions in the middle of it. Have a day next time, Joe, from 109.
Cheers to you, mate. Cheers to you. 791 on the side, QSY.
Bye.
Here we go. Northern Ireland, Belfast.